Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your TP-Link Deco system to your Xfinity router. First, prepare your Xfinity gateway. Make sure your gateway is already connected to the internet and working properly. Open a web browser and log in to the Xfinity admin tool. Enter the username and password. Once you are logged in, go to Gateway, then select at a glance. Look for the bridge mode option and turn it on. You can also do this using the Xfinity app on your phone if you prefer. When you enable bridge mode, the Wi-Fi from your Xfinity device will turn off, and usually only one Ethernet port number 1, will stay active. Next, connect your main Deco unit. Take an Ethernet cable and plug one end into port 1 on your Xfinity gateway. Plug the other end into either port on your TP-Link Deco unit. Now power on the Deco unit and wait until the light starts flashing blue. This means it is ready to be set up. Now take your phone and open the TP-Link Deco app. Follow the instructions on the screen to create a new network. The Deco system should automatically detect the internet connection from your Xfinity modem. When prompted, choose a name for your Wi-Fi network and set a password. Once setup is complete, your Deco system will handle your home Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.